Hello everyone, myself Prashant Dovedi and my presentation video is Trust. Introduction. Trust is one of the most essential value in human interaction. It is the foundation on which we build personal connection, professional partnerships and social harmony. Whether it between friend, family member, colleague or even between a citizen and their government. Trust determines the strength and depth of the relationship. What is trust? Trust is the firm belief or confidence in honesty, integrity, reliability, and competence of a person, group, system, or process. It is a psychological state where we become a valuable, assuming the other party will not take advantage of us. Type of trust. Interpersonal trust. Interpersonal trust is a confidence you have in another person, believing they will act with honesty, reliability, and goodwill towards you. It forms the foundation of all person relationships, whether with friend, family, co-workers, or partners. Organization trust. Organizational trust refers to a confidence employees, managers, and stakeholders have in an organization, its leader and systems. It's the belief that the organization will act freely, keep commitments, and support its people. Self-trust. Self-trust is a confidence you have in yourself, in your own thoughts, decision, ability, and values. It means believing that you can handle life's challenges, stay true to your principle, and make the right choice for yourself. Social trust. Social trust, also known as the social trust, is a general belief that the most people in a society can be trusted even if you don't know them personally. It reflects how much confidence individuals have in other institutions and fairness of society. Important of trust builds strong relationships. Trust creates a foundation of meaningful and lasting relationships. It allows people to be open, honest, and valuable in each other. Enhance communication. When trust exists, people communicate more freely and clearly, which reduces misunderstanding and conflicts. Foster collaboration and teamwork. Trust encourages cooperation, making it easier for individuals and teams to work together effectively towards common goals. Increases productivity and innovation. In workplaces where a trust is high, employees feel safe to share ideas and take risks, boosting creativity and efficiency. Fifth, reduces stress and anxiety. Knowing that you can rely on others lowers worry and fear, promoting mental and emotional well-being. Encourage loyalty and commitment. People tend to stay loyal and committed to relationships, organizations, and community where trusted is strong. How trust is built? Consistency. Doing what you say you will do every time. Showing reliability in actions and decisions. Honesty and transparency. Being truthful even when it's difficult. Sharing information openly without hiding important details and keeping promises. Follow through on our communities and agreements, showing that your word means something. Empathy and understanding, and listening activity and showing care for others feeling and perspectives, being supportive and validating emotions. Competence, demonstrating skills and knowledge to what's expect well, building confidence through proven ability. Respect, valuing other opinion, boundaries and dignity, treating people freely and kindly. Thank you.